Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be talking about functional stickers. So I use functional stickers every single week within my planner in order to help me to set it up and help me to flow throughout my week. I believe that functional stickers can be a big asset to your overall planning journey and helping you to use your planner consistently. So I just revamped the functional stickers that I have within my shop in order to make sure that they aligned with the way that I am currently using my planner. So if you're interested in any of the stickers that I am sharing in this video, they will be linked in my description box. But I do have my colorful dots, which this one is pretty new to my shop because I had the neutral dots, but I just added the primary colors of the colorful dots. I also have the colorful boxes, which these are the smaller boxes, the computers, and also the bigger boxes. So these are like the mid-size boxes that you can use. Now these are the stickers that I use the most within my planner, and I'm going to talk to you about how I use each one of these in order to set up my week and how they help me overall with my planning. But if you are not a functional sticker user, let me tell you why I think you should become one. I think that functional stickers are a great way to give yourself visual cues for your entire week. So if you struggle with actually using your planner throughout the week, I feel like functional stickers can really draw your eye and help you to see everything that's going on in a week. I have been using functional stickers for years at this point, especially these colorful boxes. I think they are one of my favorite things to use within my planner, but I am going to set up my week for this upcoming week and talk to you about some of the reasons why I think that functional stickers are so helpful to your planning journey. So we are going to start off by adding in our dates, and this is actually Christmas week. So this will probably be more of an example than anything because I don't have a lot going on this week, but I am going to add a couple of things in here just to kind of share with you how I would set this up on a regular week. So one thing that I love about functional stickers is that they are visual cues. So you can make fewer decisions throughout your week just by looking at your planner and seeing a functional sticker right on your sheet, and it's going to cue your brain and let you know what you have to do. So one way that I do like to group my tasks or to highlight my notes is by using colorful dots. These are functional stickers that I will use in order to let me know that something is going on in a particular area of my life. Now, I've shared with you all in the past the key that I would normally use for these particular dots. Anytime I have a specific group of tasks that I need to do in a specific area, I will use these in order to remind myself of all of the tasks that I have to do in that area. So for this week, I don't have a lot of tasks other than work ones. I am working on getting the last set of orders out and also filming the last set of videos that I have for Vlogmas. So we are going to put a red sticker here because that is my sticker for work. And then I can add in the group of tasks that I have to do for this week, which is all around filming. And then I can do another colorful dot around my home task, which I usually will use yellow for that. Using the colorful dots in order to group all of my tasks together makes it easy for me to see all of the things that I need to do for work, everything that I need to do for home, and everything that I need to do for church. So that is a great way that I will use my colorful dot. The way that I will use my small colorful boxes is to highlight an event that is coming up that may be a short period of time. So I will mark off any appointments or any events that are about an hour or an hour and a half in length, and I will use these in order to help me to easily see anywhere that I need to be. So for instance, my dad has a doctor's appointment on this upcoming Monday, and I have to bring him. So I'm going to add a colorful box here, but I'm gonna do a small one because I think that that will probably take us about an hour, hour and a half. And I'm gonna just write in his appointment here. And a lot of times I'll just draw an arrow to let myself know that that's about the amount of time that I expect it to take. Same thing in the evening. My daughter has a tutoring session, and this is her last one for the year. So I'm going to mark it off in my planner as well, just so I can remember that that is something that she has to do. Now, usually with my routines, I will not use any functional stickers for this because routines and habits are something that just automatically happen at a specific time. So I can just write that down in my planner. I save my functional stickers for things that don't automatically happen that actually need some type of action from me. So if it's action, it's an appointment, it's a responsibility that I have, then I will use a functional sticker to highlight it to make sure that I remember it. I also know that I'm going to be posting videos up until Thursday, so I like to use computers in order to highlight any computer related task. So since it's going to be YouTube videos that I'm posting this week, we are going to use computers to highlight that. And I don't have many other tasks that are happening this week, so I can actually put the computer in my schedule. Sometimes I won't do this. Sometimes I will add them to the bottom, or I will only add them to my to-do planner because I know I need the space for other things. But this week I can actually add it into my planner because I don't have a lot of other meetings or anything else kind of going on, so we are able to add them. I'm gonna leave them blank for now because I'm not 100% sure that I have finalized exactly what I am going to film on these days. There's so much content that I want to tell you all that sometimes I decide that I want to talk about something else. So we are just going to add these computers here, and I'm going to leave myself space to make up my mind. And the other type of functional sticker that I will use are the bigger boxes, and I will use these to highlight events that are going to take a longer period of time. So I will use the small ones if it's about an hour, hour and a half for a particular event. If it's over 2 hours, then I will add a bigger box. A lot of times I will do this and I will kind of put it at the beginning or the start time of that particular event because I know the box is going to take up the entire time that I will need. So I have a house blessing on this upcoming Tuesday, and so I'm going to mark that off with a bigger box because I know it's going to take us a longer period of time. Sometimes I will also highlight other things, like this upcoming Wednesday is Christmas Eve, so we are just going to add that here as well. So I will do that for birthdays or any other holidays that are coming up. I will add it to a colorful box sometimes as well. So you can see exactly how I am currently using all of the functional stickers that I use mainly in rotation. So I do have some other functional stickers that I will use from time to time. I have some other icons in here as well. So I have pencils, I have smaller colorful dots. I also have like trash cans. I will use these in order to mark off our trash days on Tuesdays and Fridays. And that is another example of a visual to where I will add this in here just so I can see that it's trash day, but I won't actually write the word. And I love that because it's a visual cue, but I don't actually have to write it out in my planner. But I have a bunch of icons in here that I will use from time to time to kind of remind me of just different things that I need to do. But these are the main ones that I am using. I'm always using the colorful boxes. I'm always using the computers. I am adding in the colorful dots because I do love using them as well. But I wanted to share this with you to give you some ideas on how you can use functional stickers in order to bring your planner to life. Having all of these colors within your planner will make it very vibrant and will make it easy for your eyes to focus in on the different things that you have to do at specific times. And I think pre-planning on how you are going to use these stickers is also helpful as well. So now every time I see a dot, I am automatically thinking of a task that I need to complete. If I see a smaller colorful box, then I know it's an event that I have to go to or an appointment that I have that is a specific amount of time. I know if I see a computer, it's a computer related task. And I know if I see a bigger box, then I know it's an event that might take me a little bit more time. But these stickers really help me to easily see everything that I have going on for the week, and they are visual cues. So I don't have to use my brain power thinking it through. The more you don't have to use your brain power, the more clarity you will have within your planning process. So guys, I hope that this video has helped you, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.